Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a mouth with a toothpaste and a toothbrush. At first I draw cute lips. Then the teeth. A smiling mouth. Now I draw a toothpaste on the left side. Let's draw a tooth like this. And I also add some lines here to make the coloring part very fun. On the right side, I draw a simple toothbrush. And finally, some toothpaste on it. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color the mouth with dark red, light red, red, light blue for the toothpaste, dark blue, and for the circle around I use this red, gray. I continue with the toothbrush with fuchsia. For the brush, I use cream. For the toothpaste, I use light green, red, and a little dark blue. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.